Welcome back to Autocars Play, where we bring you the most exciting insights into the world of luxury and performance. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the 2025 Lexus LX600. This vehicle isn't just about looks, it's a complete package of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're thinking about buying a high-end SUV or just love staying ahead in the car world, you're going to want to hear this. At first glance, the 2025 Lexus LX600 keeps its bold, muscular stance that we've come to associate with the LX series. But Lexus has made sure it's more refined than ever. The massive spindle grille dominates the front end, giving it a strong road presence. Sleek triple-beam LED headlights wrap around the edges, and the body lines are sharper, giving it a more modern and dynamic appeal. Under the hood, Lexus has replaced the previous V8 with a more efficient 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. It produces around 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Don't let the drop in cylinder count fool you, this engine is powerful and responsive. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the LX600 delivers a smooth yet commanding ride, whether you're on city streets or off-road trails. Inside, the LX600 is pure luxury. Lexus has taken things to the next level with a new interior design that feels more like a private jet than an SUV. You get premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and soft-touch materials everywhere. The dashboard features a dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch upper screen for navigation and multimedia, and a 7-inch lower screen for climate and vehicle controls. It might sound complicated, but once you get used to it, it actually becomes quite intuitive. The seats are incredibly comfortable, especially in the higher trims. The ultra-luxury variant even comes with captain's chairs in the rear that recline, massage, and have their own control panel. Whether you're driving or being driven, the LX600 offers a first-class experience. There's also a Mark Levinson premium audio system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear sound, making every drive more enjoyable. When it comes to safety and tech, the LX600 is loaded. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Off-road lovers will also appreciate the multi-terrain select and crawl control systems, which make navigating rough terrain much easier. Fuel economy has improved too, thanks to the new engine, although it's still a large SUV, so don't expect miracles. But for what it offers in performance and luxury, the efficiency is respectable. The 2025 Lexus LX600 isn't just an update, it's a full evolution. It keeps the rugged DNA of previous LX models but adds a new level of sophistication and intelligence. For those who want a reliable, luxurious, and capable SUV, the LX600 might just be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Autocars Play. Don't forget,